You ain't gonna get me today. I put Pavilion Park. With Cookie Roll. Get it, buddy, get it. Good job, buddy. Good job. So he definitely cool at the park. This dude is focused. He definitely lost his focus of trying to get the show ready. See if I can take this dude to his exotic show. Look at this dude. Exotic show dog. Cookie dough. He's pretty fast and happy. Thank you. Thank you, buddy. Yeah, we're going to talk to the Cookie Club. We here at Pavilion Park. Pretty nice park. Pretty nice size park. A lot of distractions over there, kids and everything. Other dogs. Pretty nice neighborhood. But this dude is unfazed. All he thinking about is getting this ball and having him a couple rounds of pep. So we gonna and then we go out this video so I can pay this dude because he's getting antsy ready. Ready to get to his game. So yeah, we're gonna enjoy our day out here. And Cookie Dough. Get him nice and focused and trained up. So we try to hit one of his shows here. So I see this little dude right here at the show. I know it's Top Pro Film Club in the building. For real, buddy. There you go. Bye. Top Pro Film Club, we here cooking on, we out of here.